Katsu is a food made from fillet chicken breast cut in flour and then fried in oil. From its appearance, it already looks very attractive. Freshly cooked chicken katsu served with warm white rice. Don't forget to add cucumber and chili sauce to make it look very appetizing. It's very flavorful. The texture is very unique. It combines the crispy of the chicken skin and soft of the breast fillet. Look at this spicy chili sauce. The chili sauce is very delicious. It's very flavorful and then have the perfect combination.
Not only that, the chili sauce not too spicy, but enough to make us try. In terms of price, we think this is very affordable and pocket friendly. For 15 IDR, you can enjoy this delicious dish.
Let's share this food with them. Let's go! Hi, Muthia. Chicken katsu for you. Don't forget to share it again. Enjoy the food.
Thank you, Zhafira and Kiki. So guys, don't forget to try chicken katsu in BC. Thank you.
That's all the review from us.
Don't forget to try chicken katsu in BC.
Thanks for watching.
See you on next video.
Bye!
Bye.